What's up, Prepsters? Welcome to your full review for the SAT Writing and Language section. Before we get into everything you need to know to kill it on this section, let me introduce myself. I'm Callion, your personal host through the Prepmedians journey. Now, let's introduce the SAT Writing and Language section. The SAT Writing and Language section is the second section of the SAT, and it is scored out of 400 points. To get the score out of 400 points, you receive a score out of 40 for the section that you multiply by 10. This score, plus the reading section score, gives you the 800 points for the SAT verbal section. The writing and language section is 35 minutes long with 44 questions in 4 passages, which gives you just under 9 minutes per passage. Now, when you approach the test, as I was saying, when you approach the test, you'll encounter mechanics and substance and structure questions. Okay, Alia, what's going on here?
Look, I just don't think that you're giving them the full picture.
What do you mean?
Well, you forgot to mention to them that mechanics questions include topics such as verb tense and punctuation.
Well, yeah,
and substance and structure questions include topics such as placement of sentences and transitions.
Also true.
Yeah, and you also forgot to mention to them that they should spend about 30 seconds on mechanics questions and about a minute on substance and structure questions.
Chase, guys, we talked about this. You guys act, I teach. That's how this works.
But the good news is that the passages are often written for high school audiences so that you can focus on finding grammar mistakes rather than on reading comprehension.
Gio, what were you doing down there?
I was taking a very long nap.
Okay, I get it. I'm just gonna be continuously interrupted as we go along. Oh, fire fact. Here at Prepmedians, we don't have fun facts. We have fire facts. A fire fact about the test is that
you should answer each question one by one and read the passage as you go along. Fill in your answer bubbles every 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bubble!
Hi, Jake.
Hi.
What's up, Prepsters?
Katie, that's my catchphrase.
Keep in mind that you don't lose points for wrong answers, so you should guess when you don't know an answer. Cross out the answers that are obviously wrong and then guess. I like to guess a letter that is not C, because most students guess C, and I think the test makers are catching on, so avoid putting C answers at the end.
Okay. One last point is that you shouldn't think of the underlined text in the passage as the original when there's a no change answer choice. Instead, imagine that the test makers created 4 choices and they randomly picked one out of a hat that they use in the passage. And finally, Prepsters, welcome to the ride. And believe in yourself.
Because we certainly do.
Don't leave any questions blank. Try to delete answers you know are wrong, and then guess. Bubble in your answers after every 5 or so questions. Don't think of no change as the original choice. It was just randomly assigned. Get ready to crush the mechanics and substance and structure questions.